In this era, food security poses a great challenge to society because of climate change. In Uganda, over 5,000 smallholder farmers will benefit from the Reduce, Reuse, Recycle Rice initiative for climate-smart agriculture project by Kilimo Trust, which will enable them use sustainable management agricultural practices such as integrating rice and legume cultivation to improve soil health and food security.
Atmospheric nitrogen is over 78%, but plants can't take it as it is. Much as it's in abundance in the atmosphere, plants can't take it as it is. They don't have the ability to fix it as it is in its compound, in its form. So God made it natural that in the soil there is a type of bacteria called rhizobia. This bacteria, once you have a legume in the field, in your farm, they will automatically infuse or infect the roots of those legumes. Legumes, we have things like groundnuts, soya, green gram, beans, among others. So once you have a legume, the bacteria, the rhizobia living in the soil, will definitely infest into that legume. The roots of the legume produce nodules, and in the process we call it a symbiotic relationship. The plant benefits and the bacteria benefits.
The Assistant Program for Soil Health at Kilimo Trust, Nakhubulwa, says the intensive rice farming has reduced the fertility of the soil, and this can only be revised by on-farm cultivation of legume, which is an integral component of the cropping system.
So the bacteria will be able to fix that nitrogen and convert it to a form the plant is able to take. It's a compound form, called it ammonia, so the plant is able to take in that form. At the same time, the plant provides it with carbon, or we call it a source of food, so it makes that symbiotic kind of relationship. It's just natural, and that's how God designed it. So we would like farmers to adopt the approach of integrating a legume.
If you plant soya, that's the land rests a bit for one season. Then if you plant rice again, you get a good yield in the field. That's why we do rice legume integration.
Most rice farmers practice monocropping, which leads to accumulation of soil pests. But when they change the cycle and have rice legume integration, the legume fixes the nitrogen and rotating crop reduces pests.
Integrating a legume has the benefit of adding nutrients to the soil, especially nitrogen, in that we will not have to rely on the inorganic fertilizers. With the legume, we are able to have a source of nutrient. Then besides that, once you break the cycle from rice to a legume, you're able to break off the cycle of those pests that were affecting the rice. So the next time you plant your rice, you'll have broken off the cycle of pests, the diseases that were affecting the rice, since you're introducing something different from the intensive rice.
So yeah, we put in the time when you are not ready to plant rice in the field. So if you remove, instead of leave that garden to be free until you come and plant rice, you put soya. Then soya, you get something to eat, you can get money on it.
Experts explain that integration of legumes with rice-based cropping is an appropriate technology for improving productivity. Sada Mubale, UBC News, Kampala.